started with crypto in September 19. I didn't know anything about it. I didn't know even what a wallet was.
I've been interested in trading and investing for a while, but not with any strategy.
I joined the crypto club and it's been a great decision, and it's part of my daily routine in the morning, 20 minutes.
The best thing about the club undoubtedly is the level of support.
So I work a full-time job and I needed a way to earn money passively in the background.
I like this whole structure and that you make it as simple as possible. I can do it, I see it on the videos, and I just do what I see on the videos.
How many of you, just by being part of the club, going into this one ICO, just by doing that, paid for the entire year, just so that he knows, for the entire year of the club, just with a show of hands?
Initial investment was 500 and my total capital in Chainlink is $10,000.
The whole portfolio went up like 400, 500, 600%. I really followed the strategies and I am so glad that I bought this course.
I've got 2,000%, 3,000%.
Over the last 2 years, I've made £11,500 in profit from a £1,500 baseline.
Profit on cryptocurrencies is 360%.
Today I'm in profit 68.52% on the entire account.
That is fantastic.
This year to date, I've made 10%. So I've made 8,000 in 2 months this year.
Wonderful.
It's just taking the steps, do it, take small steps and get over the fear.